Hello my precious jewels, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Julie, and if you like makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, makeup reviews, first impressions and all things beauty, then you come to the right channel. In today's video, I'm doing a try on of the new NYX Fat Matte Smooth Color Lipsticks. I have 6 of the shades. I actually thought I had 7, but I bought 2 of the same shade, so I'll be exchanging it. So I just want to swatch these for you guys and show you what they look like on my lips. Hopefully this is something that you guys are interested in and you love NYX Cosmetics and you're interested in seeing how these lipsticks wear on the lips, how they show up on the lips, how they swatch, how they feel. I'm going to give you everything that I experienced with these NYX Fat Matte Lipsticks. These are drugstore lipsticks. They retail for $12. They come in 17 shades. I have 6 of the 17 shades. I tried to get a little bit of every color story so I could show you what they're looking like. This is a cute little click pen that they come in. Let me give you some of the specs on them. It says matte that does not crack. All comfort with no cake. Glide on any of the NYX 17 soft matte lipsticks. Soft creamy shades of NYX Professional Makeup Fat Matte Lipstick infused with raspberry oil and tapioca powders. Fat smooth feel for texture, erasing glide. Fat creamy pigments for a cozy soft lip feel. Line smoothing seamless lip look made easier than ever with the NYX fluffy whipped lipstick texture. Seamless lip looks made easier than ever with a NYX fluffy whipped lipstick texture, giving a light moisturizing feel without any dragging or cracking. NYX has the perfect match for every skin tone. Forget the old drying matte lipsticks of the past. Try the Fat Matte. The next generation of matte lipsticks. Says get matte lips that just click with the pigment packed buildable color, the soft comfy feel, and the smooth finish that you have been waiting for. We've got the only matte that matters. Okay, I'm gonna swatch all of these down my arm and then I'm going to try them on without a liner, with a liner, and then with a gloss. So my lips will kind of be sore when this is over. I'm gonna start with Berry Nude. So it's a click pen. Like I said, they retail for $12. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch all of the lipsticks first and then I'm gonna go back and, you know, put them on, then put the liner on, all those good things. This is Rose Robe. I like the click pens, but sometimes I don't. Okay, so this is... They feel very creamy going on, very pigmented. I don't know if they have any dry down on the lips. It didn't say anything about them being long lasting. That's what I listen for a lot of times with certain products. That might be a problem because a lot of the makeup that NYX has come out with recently have been waterproof and like transfer resistant and all of that, but not these. This is Flamingo Feather. But I guess it's hard to do when you are making a matte lipstick with moisture. It's kind of hard to make it like have a dry down effect. So that's pretty. All of them are pretty so far. They all look like shades that I would enjoy wearing. When I picked them up, I was like, oh, they all look similar but different. Okay, this one is Pink Puff. I love a good pink lip. They're very creamy. They feel really slippery, like very emollient. Okay, this one is Cashmere Cutie, which I wound up picking up 2 of the same shades. I guess I really like this one. This might be a shade that stays in my pocketbook. I like a good nude lip, but I like a nude lip that stays on. Like I don't want to have to reapply so often. That's just my opinion. And this one is Fluffy Fuchsia. So those are the 6 shades that we're going to be trying. They all look very pretty. Now we're going to use one of these NYX lip liners. These are NYX Lip Lingerie liners. I don't know how long these last either. I tried them, but I didn't like wear them. I've been wearing a lot of balms. Like I was away for a month and I didn't put a lot of makeup on, so I probably did have a lot of lip products with me. I just never reached for my makeup bag. I was busy in and out of the hospital with my mother and doctor's appointments. I didn't have time to put no makeup on. This is the shade Up All Night, so we're gonna put this on. I want to say these are supposed to be long wearing. I don't know why I've been liking to overline my top lip a lot recently. I'm gonna start with maybe the lightest shade, which is this one, Cashmere Cutie. Oh, I was supposed to try it without the liner, right? Because I want you to see what it looks like without the liner. It feels really nice, very pigmented, but I don't think these have any dry down because they feel really, really moisturizing. Now this color, I don't think would look good on my lips if I did not have a liner on. You could see at the bottom, like, it would just look like I ate a pasty donut. Or you can't really see the liner at the bottom, so this is what the lip would look like. This is Cashmere Cutie. And I'm gonna put a little gloss on because I have the NYX Jelly Jobs, which I love these. I think I have like 6 of these. Yeah, right now I can put my hand on 5 of them. So because we have like a peachy nude, I'm gonna put this gold on. This one is Glow Job. I'm gonna put this one on so you can see what it looks like. So pretty. I loved it. I love the formula of these. I love the little like silicone doe foot applicator. Oh, I didn't mean to put that much. So this would be one of our... Now, if you could see me just wipe that off, you could see that this lip liner is actually very long wearing. Very long wearing because I just wiped off the lip product that was on the liner. It looks good. Okay, I like this. These glosses have like a little tingle to them, but I really, really like them. I thought I put too much on, or the gloss is like gooky, but I like it. It feels really, really nice on the lips, very moisturizing, but it is... I usually do like that. Wendy Williams taught me that. And yeah, I think this looks very pretty. This is Caramel Cutie and Glow Job. I'm gonna try this one next, which is Rose Robe. I'm gonna put this one on first without a liner, then we're gonna add the... But see, the way these liners are, I can't add the liner on after. I'm gonna have to do the liner first because I'm trying to stay in the NYX family. And these are those liquid liners that you can't not put it on first. I'm sorry guys. If I was using a different liner, I was trying to keep this video all NYX because they do have some awesome newly released lip product. My lip has some glitter on it because the Glow Job has glitter in it. So this is a pretty shade. I wish that these were long lasting, but I could tell from the formula that they're not. It's something that you would definitely have to keep in your bag and reapply. This one is Rose. Oh, that's a gorgeous shade. You see that? So pretty. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I think this actually might be my favorite. I love that. So good. That's really pretty. I'm gonna put Just Jelly shade on. It's a clear. This gloss is so pretty. I like to clean these doe foot applicators back off before I put the one back in. That's really pretty. If my makeup looks a little stark, you'll see the video. If it comes out before this one, you'll see the video and you'll know why. Rose Robe. Very nice. So we're gonna put this one on. Pink Puff. Let's try this purple shade. This one is Hot and Heavy. Oh, it's like a dark brown. I would think with the body of it being purple that it was purple. I'm gonna swatch the 3 liners at the end so you can see what they look like on their own. I'm gonna put this one on, Pink Puff. That is pretty. It feels so comfortable going on. It's actually very, very pigmented. I have 2 pinks. I'm gonna put this one on. This one is Jelly Blushing. This is really pretty. Very nice. These are very moisturizing. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. They're very shiny, and it looks like they get shinier like when the body heat like warms them up, they get shinier. But that's what it looks like. It's a very subtle pink, but I like it. It's not a bam in your face, it's like an everyday kind of pink, so I like that. My lips are already feeling dry. I'm gonna try this one right here with this shade. This is Sending Nudes. This one is kind of browny. That's what it looks like. This one is Flamingo Feather. I don't know. I don't remember saying this name. This kind of looks like the pink puff a little bit. I think that's this one. This is more like a corally pink. Very, very deep looking. Maybe not the right liner for it, but it definitely gives you that 90s vibe. That it does. Let's see what kind of liner. I'm gonna put the same liner back on because I think this one is perfect for it. That's these two shades together. Okay, so we have two more shades. I'm gonna put this one on, Up All Night. I'm gonna put this one on, Berry Nude. Oh, that's like a sepia brown. Very pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I think that's my favorite. That is actually really, really gorgeous. I'm gonna put this orange one on. I thought I saw a nudie brown up here. I'm gonna put this orange one on. This one is called Orange Jelly. This is very pretty. This is gorgeous. One more. So we have like a purpley shade. I'm gonna put this one on, the darker one. I think this is called Hot and Heavy. I don't think I used this one yet. This is Fluffy Fuchsia. The lip liner, it looks nice on its own. I don't necessarily like the angle of this, right? I prefer like a flat lipstick. That is very, very pretty. Oh, I love that. That is these two together. I cannot not show you what they look like on the lips without a liner. So we're gonna take all of this off and do it all over again, but without a liner. Just so you can see how they look on the lips without a liner. Because everybody don't want to wear a liner. I'm gonna start with that one because it's right here. I feel like some liner still might be on my lips, so maybe they are long wearing, but I'm just gonna put it on top of the liner. Because I can't get it off. I definitely think it's some liner still on my lips. My lips are not this dark. I'm sorry, I can't get the liners off. This is what the shade looks like. The liners actually are, they actually are long wearing. Now, to me, like, this is not really a matte finish. It's more satiny, and it's not super pigmented when I look at it. I guess it is. I would love to see how long these stay on. I'm gonna have to test these out because I don't know how long they stay on. Because it's such a emollient formula that I don't see it staying on long, but it may surprise us. So that one is Fuchsia Fluff. I can't believe that these liners are really as long wearing as they are. I'm putting this one back on. This one is my favorite. This one is Berry Nude. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Now, you know what I didn't show you? I'm gonna show you right now. Oh, you know what? I can't show you because these are click up pins and I won't be able to get it back down because it doesn't click back down. I wanted to show you how much product is in it, but it feels like it goes all the way down. I don't know how much product is in it, but this shade, it looks good. Even without the liner, it looks really good. I could see this one in my pocketbook because I love this kind of a shade, and it's not too nudie, like it's not too brown that blends in with my complexion. It has a hint of like orange in it that makes it really beautiful. So I like this one. I like all of them so far. I really did, but this I think is my favorite. This one is Pink Puff. Well, if you guys wanted to know if these lip liners were long lasting, you could see I wiped it off and it's still on there. Now granted, my lips are very similar in color, but this is liner. That is pretty. Pink puff. Before I do the other three, let me just show you what the liners look like. I'm going to swatch them on the back of my hand. This one is Up All Night. That's what that one looks like. It's like a reddish brown. Up All Night. Then we have Hot and Heavy, while we're giving my lips a break. So Hot and Heavy is like a darker reddish brown, like a burgundy, like a deep burgundy. That looks pretty also. Then we have Sin Nudes. So this one has more red in it than this one, but they both like a reddish brown. Yeah, this one actually is perfect to go with the brown lipstick. If you could see that color, it's actually very, very perfect to go with that brown. Okay, so those are our three liners. Now let's go back to this last three shades. This one is Flamingo Feather. So they're not one swipe lipsticks. Like if you have lips that are the color of mine, they're definitely not one swipe because the formula is so soft. So that's what that color looks like. Flamingo Feather, which is a nice kind of nudie pink, but a corally kind of pink, I think. Yeah, I like it. Okay, we have two more. I'm gonna put Cashmere Cutie on first. Probably the most nudie tone that we have. It's like a nudie. Is it pink? Or like it's like a pale pink. It actually looks good, but it's because I have that liner on. It looks really nice though. I do like it. All the shades I think are very flattering to my skin tone. So my sisters in shade, you guys are gonna love these shades. And I'm sure that more of their shades are probably just as flattering. But I only picked up these 6. That is gorgeous. I love it. Now we have this one, which is Rose Rose. This one is nice too. This one is pretty. What I'm gonna tell you about these from just my first impression of these new NYX Fat Matte Smooth Color Lipsticks that come in 17 shades and retail for $12. It's a nice formula, a very comfortable formula. If you don't like the dry mattes of yesteryear, then you're gonna love these. They're actually nicely pigmented. It's not a one swatch thing. I guess it could be, depends on the color of your lips. Me having such I'm gonna say dimensional lips because I have so many different colors in my lips. It went on nicely, a few swipes. You know, it's a soft formula, so it doesn't kind of lay down right away. You gotta put it on and, you know, do your lips together. I don't know if it has any dry down. I don't think so. It doesn't say that it is long lasting, but these actually were very beautiful, very comfortable on the lips. And for all of the times that I had to wipe my lips off, my lips still felt moisturized. It has a nice amount of moisture. I really like these NYX, the Fat Matte Lipsticks. I hope that you enjoyed this swatch demo showing you how I would wear these with the NYX Jelly Job glosses. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Please put your notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload a video, and hype the video. I love you, my precious jewels. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video where I'm just swatching different lippies, but I wanted to share these new NYX Fat Matte Lipsticks with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to hear them down below in the description box. Everything that I use on my lips will be linked and listed below. Also, they'll be on the screen so you can scan them and shop if you decide to purchase. If you do use my links, it really helps out the channel, but there's no pressure. I love you, my precious jewels. I'll see you in the next video.